Hey, Excel enthusiast! Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in Excel's toolkit, the COUNTIF function. If you've ever needed to count specific items from a list based on certain criteria, COUNTIF will be your best friend. Let's explore how it works in a practical, real-world example. Imagine you're managing sales data for a company. We have a table of salespersons and sales number. Now, what if you want to know how many salespersons exceeded 300 sales in this quarter? Instead of manually checking, COUNTIF can handle that for you instantly. Our sample data has two columns, the salesperson and the sales number, and we have our benchmark set at 300. We will set 300 as the benchmark and see how many salespersons met or exceeded that number. So, we want to count the salespersons who reached or surpassed 300 in sales. To get started, we're going to type the COUNTIF function in this cell. The first parameter, B2 to B6, is the range of sales number we are analyzing. The second parameter, greater than or equals 300, is the criteria. We are looking for values greater than or equal to 300. Once you hit enter, Excel returns a result of 3. That means 3 people, Sarah, Mike, and Emily, met or exceeded a target of 300 sales. COUNTIF quickly scanned through the range, found the sales number greater than or equal to 300, and gave us the answer in seconds. How easy is that? Whether you are analyzing sales data or tracking project deadlines, COUNTIF can save you a lot of time.